All right, we're going to talk about the 5 factors that determine your credit score so you can build your credit faster. The first one is 35% of your credit score is your history. As long as you make your payments on time, over time, it helps you build up your score. When you miss a payment, your score can drop 40 points or more on average. So keep good history. 30% of your score is based on usage. You want to stay under 30% of your available limit. So if you have a $500 card, you want to stay under $150. A $1,000 card, you want to stay under 300 bucks. When you go over 30%, your score goes down. When you max out your credit card, it drastically goes down 40 points or more as well. 15% of your credit is based on the age of your account. So if you have a high score, but your accounts haven't been open that long, you might not get approved still. So you want to make sure you keep your accounts open. Never close an account because then you ruin the average age of your accounts. 10% is the types of credit that you use. And so you want to have a mixture of different credit accounts over time. Start with maybe credit cards and then car loans, personal loans, a home loan, and so forth. And the different mixture has a 10% impact. And then the last 10% is having new credit, or if you have increase, that can have a 10% impact on your score going up or down if you have several inquiries as well. So hopefully that helps you. Watch these 5 factors and it'll definitely help you build your credit and get your buying power back. See you on the next one.